Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some garlic parmesan wings. This recipe was requested quite a while back, and I'm just now getting a chance to do them. These are my wings that I washed up. As you can see, I have them on paper towel because you want to get it nice and dried. You don't want them to be wet when you put them in the oven. I'm only going to season it with pepper, salt, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Mix that up and allow it to marinate. Alright, so I'm going to put the chicken wings on this cooling rack or baking rack because I want the heat to get all around the wings. And I'm just going to pop them in the oven and yeah. So this is the Parmesan cheese, the butter, and the garlic. With this recipe, you guys, you want to use quality ingredients. Please don't use the cheap, dirt cheap stuff because you are eating straight up butter and straight up cheese and straight up garlic. So these are my wings after 25 minutes in the oven. You want to flip them over, and when you put them back in the oven, this is when you're going to see the magic. It's going to turn golden brown and crisp. So right here, I'm melting some butter, only a tablespoon. I'm going to add my whole bulb of garlic. Saute it down for about 3 minutes just to get it nice and tender. Alright, so right here is when I'm going to add the rest of my butter, which is another 2 tablespoons. The reason why I use this technique is because I want my butter to still have body to it. I didn't want to boil the butter and then it just looks like I'm pouring water on my wings. If that makes sense, you're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute. I noticed in a lot of these other videos, it looks like they're just pouring straight up melted clarified butter on the wings, and I didn't really like that, so I put the cold butter in the warm pot so it could gently melt. And right here, as you're gonna see, you see how it's thick, because at the end of the day, this is a butter sauce. It's a butter sauce, that's what it is. So it's still thick, it still has body to it, and I'm going to pour it all over the wings. Then I'm gonna grate the cheese, and you guys, these wings were so delicious. First of all, they were really good, and I wish I probably made them before. You know, y'all know I love me some wings, child. I have so many wing recipes on this channel, it's crazy. But this was definitely a winner, and I hope you guys give this one a try. So you want to toss this just like this. I did also end up putting some dried parsley on here, which is optional. I just wanted that extra pop of color. So I added some dried parsley, some more cheese, and the wings were so delicious, perfectly balanced, garlicky, buttery, and just delicious. So if you guys try this out, comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next video. They were crisp, they were delicious, and make sure y'all try them. Like, try these wings, y'all. Bye, you guys.